So, hey guys, today I will show you how to do recharge in 75 in. So, first you have to log in your account. So, I am logging it. Okay, so first you have to log in your account. Then you have to click on this mine option. At last you can see five option. Here you see mine option. Then click here my wallet option. uh, Side of available balance, click on my wallet option. Then click on recharge. Then fill your informations here. Then select quick pay and select the amount which you are going to do recharge. So I am doing of 1000. So you have to click here. Now it's loading. Then you can do from anywhere you want. I am doing from UPI. Now I am putting my ID. So I have put it my ID. Now I have paid, means I have sent a request. Now the request has come. I will go in Paytm. Pay. Now I have proceed. So see, the amount is cutted from my bank and the recharge is done. You have to click on back, go in the website, see my balance 1644. So you can do recharge like this in a easy way.